Greetings and welcome to the BioBidet Black Friday deals. Free shipping on everything over $49. Let's check out some of these deals. If you don't know what these are, here's a quick little animation right here. So here are some of the top selling bidets. Some of them are $200 off and some are $300 off right here. The Bliss 1700 for $349, retails at $650. And let's check out some of the others right here. More high-end version for the entire toilet and not just the cover with the bidet. And let's see what else they got here. They even have the bidet attachment for $50 if you don't want the entire seat cover. And more low-end seat covers and this tower air purifier. So check back on this link for more discounts and other deals. They will keep it updated. The link is down below. So let's check out what the Bidet BB 1700 is all about. It's got a pretty good rating, 4.7 out of 5 stars, 350 bucks, $300 off. It's very fancy looking. It even has a heating technology. That's pretty nice right there. And a stainless steel nozzle, 3-in-1, that actually spray underneath your butt. And it has a lot more buttons than normal bidet attachments. So here is an example. This is the $50 bidet attachment. You're only getting $10 off for this Black Friday deal. 4.7 out of 5 stars. And here's how it looks like. So the water comes out of here, shoots out of here. So let's see right here, you can see the animation. It pops down and spray at your butt. And there's only like one button or knob that you can turn and increase the water spraying pressure. So much more simpler if you're into the simple design or the fancy high-tech. Full seat cover, up to you. Available at BioBidet Black Friday sale. Go check them out. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more Black Friday deals. Thanks again and happy shopping.